Do you want to know how to get the Amazon Prime student offer and save money with Prime benefits? In this video, I will show you exactly how to get Amazon Prime student offer, what qualifications you need, how to activate it, and why the Amazon Prime student offer is one of the best deals for students. If you want to get the Amazon Prime student offer right now, click the official and real link in the description and pinned comment. That link takes you directly to the official Amazon student membership page. Let's start with what the Amazon Prime student offer is. The Amazon Prime student offer gives eligible students a discounted Prime membership. With this offer, you get many Prime benefits for a lower price, like fast shipping, Prime video streaming, Prime reading, and more. To qualify for the Amazon Prime student offer, you must be enrolled in a college or university and have a valid student email or verification. Now let's talk about how to get Amazon Prime student offer step by step. Step 1. Click the official and real link in the description and pinned comment. Step 2. Sign in or create your Amazon account. Step 3. Verify your student status. You may need to enter your student email or upload a school document. Step 4. Complete the student membership activation. Once this is done, you will instantly get the Amazon Prime student offer benefits. Remember, the official and real link in the description and pinned comment ensures you are signing up through the correct page and avoids fake or outdated sites. Now let's talk about the value of the Amazon Prime student offer. The Amazon Prime student offer often includes fast and free shipping on eligible items, Prime video streaming, exclusive student deals, Prime reading, discounts on textbooks and essentials. This means you get access to all major Prime benefits while paying a reduced price compared to a regular Prime membership. Another important detail about the Amazon Prime student offer is the trial period. Many students can start with a free trial before monthly fees start. Use the official and real link in the description and pinned comment to check if a free trial is available for you. If you want to check the exact Amazon Prime student offer price and benefits available for your account, always use the official and real link in the description and pinned comment. Prices and promotions can change, so this ensures you see the updated Amazon Prime student offer. Now let's talk about how long you can keep the Amazon Prime student offer. Once confirmed, the Amazon Prime student offer can last for a set time as long as you remain eligible. Many students can keep the discounted Prime benefits for up to 4 years or while they remain enrolled. To maintain the Amazon Prime student offer, just keep your student verification active and follow the instructions on the official page. If you are not sure how to verify or renew your status, the official and real link in the description and pinned comment has the full guide you need. So now you know how to get Amazon Prime student offer, how it works, what benefits it includes, and how to activate it step by step. Click the official and real link in the description and pinned comment to get started with the Amazon Prime student offer right now. That is the safest and easiest way to make sure you receive the correct student discount.